Hello YouTubers, welcome to my scooter build. So this is my Hyper Racing 1600 watt foldable electric off-road scooter that I have done a few modifications. My modifications I did at my own risk. You do your modifications at your own risk. We'll do a quick overview, then we'll have some other videos showing you what I did. The seat post is removable. The foldable lever is right there. You just fold it back and the seat post removes. The batteries are underneath. The disc brakes front and back. I put the fenders on it. It did come stock with knobby tires. I wore the knobby tires off in like less than 500 miles. It does come with front and rear suspension. It does have a horn. It does have a light. And it does have a key switch. And this is a battery bag, a tool bag I put on here, and another bag carrying water. I also use an old cell phone for speedometer, and I have this up here is for tachometer and hour meter, and then this up here shows battery level. I don't know if you can see it because it's how bright it is outside, but that shows battery level. Then I also have a few modifications to that. I changed out the 1600 watt electric motor to an 1800 watt. I also put a 14 tooth gear here, and I believe a 64 tooth gear here. So that's about the biggest counter sprocket I could get with the smallest sprocket I could get. I did add a kickstand on this side and a kickstand on that side so that it can stand there because it gets too heavy for that little cheap aluminum. That is a lot of it. Let's do a quick engine startup and I'll show you what this kind of looks like and sounds like. Turn the gas on, put choke, turn the gas off. So the gas part is what's currently being sold on eBay in 2020. It's a 49cc two-stroke that with the jack shaft, or what they call a transmission, which I changed from chain to a V-belt drive. You can see this is my tachometer. Right, and my speedometer, and these are all aftermarket mods I will talk about in another video. Okay? Ciao.